혈혈단신 에코밸리라는 농장을 운영하고 있는 주인공 케이트.
Good morning, sweetheart. I hope I didn't wake you. Could you take the horses out if it stopped raining? I'll be back home in about an hour.
오늘도 어김없이 아내의 목소리로 하루를 시작하고 있었는데요.
Hey, I just wanted to say sorry. I'm back home in half an hour.
Hey, sorry. You want to come and have a look with me?
I don't know, do I?
You see the dips? Those rafters could collapse any day.
How much to replace it?
I think with the shingles, you're looking at around $9,000.
Let me think on it and I'll get back to you.
No rush.
Hi, sweetheart.
Richard, honey, Kate's here again.
결국 이혼한 전 남편 리처드를 찾게 되죠.
Your message said you needed to discuss the roof.
We had 2 years, you know.
How much?
At least 9,000.
You know, I ran into Kathy Dumont at the club. She said you canceled her daughter's riding lessons, but I can't continue to pour money into a failing business. If you can't make it work, you're gonna have to sell it.
Thanks.
마음 같아서는 당장이라도 손절하고 싶었지만 문제는 케이트가 하나뿐인 딸 클레어를 책임지고 있다는 사실. 결국 울며 겨자 먹기로 수표를 건넬 수밖에 없었고.
He only barks when you come home.
Oh, I miss you so much.
Why didn't you call me back?
It's a long story. Have your iPad so I can check my messages.
You didn't get my messages? You mean
Ryan
it
threw
broke
it into
already?
the ocean like a Hail Mary pass. Like, don't worry, I got him back.
Oh, Claire. Maybe you should break up with him.
Just I need a phone. So can we go to Verizon?
너무나도 사랑스러운 아이라는 사실에는 변함없지만 한 가지 아쉬운 점이 있었으니 여러 차례 약물을 끊기 위해 치료시설을 드나들었다는 점. 그래서였을까 질 나쁜 남자친구를 만나고 있었고.
Where's my stuff? Trouble!
I don't know what you're talking about.
호랑이도 제 말하면 나타난다고 다름 아닌 라이언이었는데요.
Everything okay here? Where are you going?
그런데 그날 새벽.
Claire. Claire. Stand up for me. Come on, stand up for me.
클레어는 또다시 무언가에 취해 있었죠.
Honey, I need to talk to you about last night. You can't keep avoiding this. Okay. Trip number 15. I think my arms are gonna fall off.
I remember those days.
Tell me it gets easier.
Oh God, no. Just you wait. Every day's a gift.
Front flip or back flip? Back flip! Okay!
You know, an ad popped up on my computer the other day.
So because you searched for it.
Well, it doesn't matter how it got because you should think about going back to school. About the mother who loses her child at the zoo.
딸아이가 최소한의 사람 구실이라도 하길 바라는 엄마의 마음이었지만 그렇게 제대로 무시를 당해버린 그날 오후.
How you doing? Man, horses and green grass.
Let me out here, Jackie.
Come on. You not understand what you see in him. Where's my...
I don't have it.
You don't have it.
What's in there?
What's wrong with you? Leave her alone. What are you saying? What? Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you that hard.
Hey! Get away from her!
Who are you?
Close friend of your daughter's, something that didn't belong to her.
She didn't
And-
steal it.
과정이 어찌되었건 클레어로 인해 제키의 물건이 사라져버렸다는 의미.
Your daughter has two choices. Give it back, or she can pay me my money. Come on.
Well, there was something inside.
Oh, you mean there were...
Honestly, I didn't know when I threw it over. I didn't...
그럼에도 변하지 않는 건 함부로 제키의 물건을 버렸다는 점. 사태의 심각성을 깨달았는지 다시는 라이언과 어울리지 않겠다는 다짐을 받아낼 수 있었는데요. 그런데
What's he doing here?
You're running.
Well, that's why we're leaving. We're gonna go camp out for a few days.
Oh.
Mom, I need some money. Ryan is in trouble because of me,
Not
Mom. It's
giving
serious
you
this
any-
time. Mom, I need some money. I don't have any money. I'm in trouble. I need money, Mom. Money. Mom, open the door. I need a check. Oh, you won't cancel it this time.
There's
Mom.
nothing in there.
Ah! Ryan, get the dog and put him in the back of my car. Find his way home and he's gonna starve or worse.
Cooper!
Hey, Claire, let's
Off me,
go.
Ryan.
Claire, let's go.
사랑하는 남자를 만나 아이를 낳은 것뿐인데 계속되는 고난과 시련. 자연스레 일 따위가 손에 잡힐 리 없었고
Well, hello.
이제는 몇 명 남지 않은 친구 레스의 방문이었죠.
So who's helping you take care of the place?
No one. It was always just me and Patty, you know.
It's only been 9 months. And it was so sudden.
I can't really talk about it with anybody, you know.
You can always call me, you
I
know.
don't want to bother you.
Why don't I just stay and help out in the farm today? Make dinner and I'll get drunk as skunks.
하루도 거르지 않고 즐겨 듣던 음성 메시지의 정체는 다름 아닌 9개월 전 사망한 아내의 목소리.
What about Claire? The last time we talked, she was back in rehab.
Yeah, she skipped out again. I always thought it was too boring for my life to be this messed up.
이런 절박한 상황에서 나타난 레스라는 존재. 모처럼 만에 제법 상쾌한 아침을 맞을 수 있었고
Les?
More outside connection.
친구의 응원을 힘입어 다시금 한 발 더 내디딜 수 있었는데요. 그런데 그날 저녁
What are you doing here?
I need help.
Okay, let's get this on. Are you bleeding?
It's Ryan's.
Okay, calm down.
잠시 후 도저히 믿을 수 없는 이야기를 접할 수 있었죠.
I pushed him. And then he fell over the slope and he hit his head. There was just blood everywhere, Mom. Just,
Is he okay? Did you call the police?
no.
Why? No reason
he
to not call the
didn't
police.
fall, Mom. No. He was coming at me and Mom, I hit him with a rock. Oh, what do we do?
Where is Ryan now? I'm gonna ask you some questions. Where did you go?
Valley Forge?
Did you check in?
No, it wasn't anything like that. We just parked on the side of this.
Did anyone see you?
No.
남자친구를 우발적으로 살해했다며 이성의 끈을 놓아버린 클레어. 달리 말해 이 모든 걸 내가 수습해야 한다는 의미와 다를 바 없었고
Do you have Ryan's cell phone? Does anyone know where the two of you were? Go upstairs, take off all your clothes, and put them in a bag.
Come back from where?
Just do what I say.
아무 탈 없이 시신을 처리했다는 안도의 마음도 잠시 이내 곧 감당하기 어려운 죄책감이 그녀를 짓누르기 시작하죠.
What'd you do?
I took care of it.
Will you stay with me for a little bit?
So the two of you came back here after camping.
Wait, why would we say Ryan was here? Would we
Because
not
you brought
want to
his
say...
cell phone back here, and then Ryan left, and then you stayed here with me.
Where is he?
Marsh Creek Lake.
I didn't ask you to do anything. I didn't tell you.
I love you, Claire, and I won't let anything happen to you.
이 모든 행동이 너를 사랑하기 때문이라는 엄마의 절규. 그렇게 다시금 원래의 일상으로 돌아가나 싶던 그때
What's wrong?
Jackie, he followed me to the store and he said he was gonna kill
Show me. How much money does Ryan owe?
10,000.
딸아이가 살해한 라이언의 시신은 어떻게든 처리할 수 있었지만 문제는 제키 물건에 대한 보상이 남았다는 점. 하루아침에 라이언이 증발해버린 만큼 자연스레 빚 독촉은 클레어를 향할 수밖에 없었고
This is what my daughter owes, so it's the end of it. I never want to see you in this property ever again. It's over. You won't bother us anymore.
그런데 다음날
Let's get up. Time for breakfast.
Hey, this is Claire's phone. Just text me instead.
다시는 약에도 손을 대지 않고 착실한 딸로 살아가겠다는 다짐이 무색해지는 클레어의 증발. 온갖 불안한 상상이 머릿속을 떠나지 않던 그때
Can I have your iPod, log in, and check my messages?
도대체 몇 시간이나 엑셀을 밟았을까 딸아이가 있는 것으로 추정되는 곳에 닿을 수 있었는데요. 그런데 문제는 클레어 혼자만이 아니었다는 거죠. 결국 나 스스로가 해결해야 한다는 절박함, 문제의 호수를 찾을 수밖에 없었죠. 문제는 의욕만으로 해결될 사안이 아니라는 점, 그렇게 스스로의 한계에 부딪힐 수밖에 없던 그때
Afternoon.
Oh, hey.
What you doing out here? Girl on the beach there said you got over your time. She was worried about you.
Oh, no. I lost my wedding ring. Pretty stupid.
You want to hear something funny? I lost my ring on our honeymoon. My wife was ready to strangle me.
기지 넘치는 대답으로 난감한 상황을 모면 야속하게 먼저 세상을 떠나버린 아내와의 추억들이 하나둘 되살아나기 시작하는데요.
Jesus Christ, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. What's wrong? Is everything you told me last night true? Yeah, you're coming with me to Wild Vale.
술에 취해 그동안의 모든 일들을 하나도 빠짐없이 고백해버렸던 것. 결국 케이트 혼자 두어서는 안 된다는 결론에 다다르게 되고
Hi. Wes told me that you're going through it. I made you some tea. She called your mother? Oh, God.
I'm right.
I love that. How is old Mr. Granderson?
The old man burned the place down. He got diagnosed with Alzheimer's. Fired the hayloft one night, trying to make it look like an accident, but the police caught him. Who's for a top? Okay.
Yep. I will be doing the chores myself tomorrow.
그런데 잠시 후
Hello?
I'm not home right now. I'm hours away.
Well, you should get home. About the body you dumped at Marsh Creek Lake. You still there?
Yeah. Who was it?
Someone's brother, someone's child, kid.
I want a name.
Good.
Ryan owed me 10 grand for the drugs your daughter tossed.
하루빨리 빚을 청산해야 한다는 욕심이 앞선 나머지 불순물을 섞기 시작. 호숫가에 내던진 시신이 바로 그로 인한 부작용으로 목숨을 잃은 남자라는 의미였지만 더 큰 문제는 이런 내막을 제키가 모두 알아버렸다는 점.
You've gone this far. I figure you'll go a little farther, right? I make one anonymous call to Ryan and Claire, and to you.
I don't have any money.
Acres and acres of land in Chester County, because you have a lot, and I want it. Come here!
돈에 눈이 멀어버린 젊은 남자와 곧 있으면 환갑을 바라보는 중년의 여인. 의문의 약물은 빠르게 케이트의 몸속으로 흡수되기 시작.
Wakey, wakey, go. You got 2 days to pay me. Where am I sleeping?
그런데 더 큰 문제는 제대로 돈을 뜯어내겠다며 합수까지 자처하고 나섰다는 점.
Hey, I don't want anyone hanging around here except me and you. Make a list of your clients. I'll send out a text saying you're not available for lessons.
결국 불편한 동거를 이어갈 수밖에 없었는데요. 씻겨낼 수 없는 죄책감이 케이트의 온몸을 감싸기 시작하던 그때
Hey, Granderson's barn fire. How did he get caught?
He used a flare. Starting a fire with a flare would be virtually undetectable. Something behind, a part of the flare.
I'll call you back soon, okay? That's $100,000 of insurance on the barn.
How exactly do you do that without these guys knowing you did it?
Time, but if you use the flare, then it's undetectable.
How long after you burn it will it take for me to get my money?
I don't know, a couple of weeks or a month.
No.
가장 빠르고 안전하게 보상금을 받을 수 있는 방법은 제키를 자신의 직원으로 등록하는 것. 하지만 완전히 돈에 눈이 돌아버린 듯 말까지 함께 태워 보상금을 늘리자는 제안을 종용하게 되고
$25,000 each.
And that brings the payout to $150,000.
But if we...
That's good. Who's that? I thought we canceled her lesson.
의심이 많은 제키, 결국 스스로가 나서게 되는데요.
Afternoon. It's Emma, right?
Where's Kate?
She woke up with a fever.
I'm sorry, who are you?
I'm the new farmhand.
Okay, I'm just gonna grab some of these saddle pads.
내가 가진 모든 것을 제키에게 넘기더라도 클레어와 내가 무탈할 수만 있다면 그걸로 충분하다는 마음으로 시작된 계획이었지만
Is it ready?
Yeah. We'll do it between 2 and 3 a.m.
Cool.
문제는 그로 인해 사랑하는 말들도 떠나보내야 한다는 점.
You should probably go now.
You know, I think I'm gonna stick around. Make sure you go through with it.
그럼에도 사사로이 말들에게 발이 묶여 나와 내 딸의 인생을 망칠 수는 없는 노릇. 결국 예정대로 헛간에 불을 지르게 되고 그런데 전혀 예상치 못한 문제가 케이트를 기다리고 있었는데요.
Blaze was set intentionally. Miss Garrett, it's a wire stand. They're commonly used in road flares.
What are you saying? You think that I did?
You mentioned there was someone living in the apartment above the barn?
An employee, Jackie Lawson.
So when you noticed the fire outside, do you remember if Jackie's car was still there?
It wasn't. And I called him this morning to let him know anything from him.
Miss Garrettson, we found a dead body.
그랜더슨 씨의 사례를 통해 같은 실수를 저지르지 말아야 한다는 걸 누구보다 잘 알고 있었음에도 현장에서 발견된 조명탄의 잔해 더더욱 사건은 미궁속으로 빠져들기 시작하죠.
Good news is we were able to locate Jackie. How'd you two meet, Miss Garrettson?
Through my daughter, Claire. He's a friend of hers.
It's odd, because Jackie claims he never worked for you.
He doesn't know who I am. He's been living on the farm and working there.
What about clients? I'd imagine they'd have seen him hanging around the place.
Emma Hanway to pick up a saddle pad. I could give her your contact if you think that would be helpful.
Please. Was there anyone with Jackie that you noticed?
There was one person. Kaminsky, something like that.
You recognize him? Medical examiner just confirmed it through dental. His body was found out at Echo Valley this morning.
I wasn't staying at that farm.
그런데 문제는 케이트로부터 월급이 이체된 내역이 있는 데다가 엠마에게 자신이 이곳의 직원이라고 소개를 해버렸다는 점. 이제서야 무언가 대단히 꼬여버렸다는 사실을 깨닫게 되고
I'm going to tell you exactly what happened. What actually happened.
Because you left something behind, a part of the flare.
I'll call you back soon, okay? There it is. Stop.
조명탄의 일부를 남겨놓은 건 철저하게 계획된 행동이었는데요.
You guys are being played. We're all being played right now.
Quick Star gas station, 1 mile from the farm. I think something happened inside the apartment.
No.
I think
No!
something happened.
It's all over now.
지질이도 자식복이 없는 케이트에게 마지막으로 한 가지 남은 게 있었으니 친구의 아픔을 자신의 일처럼 생각을 하고 도움을 주는 좋은 지인들, 그랜더스 씨의 사례를 역으로 이용하는 아이디어와 레스의 도움, 자신을 괴롭히던 제키로부터 벗어남과 동시에 보험금으로 낡아빠진 지붕까지도 고칠 수 있는 말 그대로 전화위복이 따로 없었는데요.
Okay, go to your working trot. Little slower.
그럼에도 도저히 끊어낼 수 없는 혈육의 정, 누군가에게는 한없이 미소를 짓게 만들고 또 다른 누군가에게는 존재만으로도 악몽이 될 수 있는 이야기. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?